Something unexpected is happening with the price of SHIB that is getting people wondering what exactly is going on, especially considering that the long-awaited Shiba Eternity was just released a couple of days ago. Well, I'll go into details of what's going on in this video, so make sure to keep watching to the end to find out what Shiba Inu has to do with Google. Disclaimer. Welcome back to another video, Shib Army, and thanks for sticking around. Of course, you're also welcome if you're here for the first time. If regular Shiba Inu updates and the occasional general crypto update is something that you're looking for, you're at the right place. Just make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss another video. Now let's get into today's video. Before Shiba Eternity was launched, there were some expectations about what the launch of the game would do for the price of SHIB. And after the game was launched, it did live up to the expectations to a certain extent, as there was a noticeable spike in the price of SHIB. However, it's been a couple of days since the game was launched, and not only is the price of SHIB no longer on the increase, it's been dipping as well. In fact, SHIB has lost its bullish momentum. That said, there is really no need to panic. Experts are saying that a possible reason that this regression to bearishness is happening is because Shiba Eternity is still fairly new and players need more time to get acquainted with the game in order to drive traction for SHIB demand from within and outside the community. If this is true, then we might be seeing the price of SHIB pick up in the coming days and/or weeks. What's more, price dips like this are not always the worst thing. Sometimes it's just the market correcting in preparation for a bullish run. So there is a significant possibility that these price dips are just the market's way of preparing for the bullish run that might happen as more people play this game. This is probably what some whales are thinking, as they've been purchasing lots and lots of SHIB tokens since the price dipped. Whale activity with SHIB has increased so much that SHIB is now once again the most held token by the biggest whales. And it's pretty obvious that these whales are taking advantage of the significantly reduced price of SHIB to purchase as many of the tokens as they can, because this increase in purchases happened after the token took a dip. At the time of recording this video, the value of whales' SHIB holding is about $126 million. The most recent purchase happens to be for about $730,000. You Today records that, according to crypto analytics portal CryptEye, an unknown large investor has bought $730,000 worth of SHIB in the past 24 hours, which equates to around 70.86 billion tokens. In the past 7 days, about $830,000 has been spent on SHIB purchases by this cryptocurrency whale. In total, this investor has $31.15 million worth of Shiba Inu tokens in its portfolio, equal to 3 trillion SHIB. In essence, that one whale not only has a lot of SHIB, but also just bought a lot of SHIB. And I think it's really interesting that this whale's most recent purchase was made on the same day that the price of SHIB dipped by about 7%. So it's pretty obvious that this whale pays a lot of attention to SHIB and its movement on the charts. And you have to be really interested in a token to pay that much attention to it, don't you think? Anyway, this is just one whale. A number of others have been making this same decision as well, which means that a number of whales are really interested in SHIB, enough to make analysts wonder what it really is about SHIB that's making it get all this attention. But before we get into that, this channel has a daily giveaway of 100,000 SHIB. For a chance to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. #ShibaInu. Good luck! In fact, some analysts have speculated that the whale just mentioned might be affiliated with the Shiba Inu project, especially because SHIB accounts for 73% of the whale's non-Ethereum crypto portfolio. However, as I mentioned earlier, it's not just this whale that owns a lot of SHIB. SHIB actually accounts for the greatest percentage of non-Ethereum holdings among the largest whales. And interestingly, a number of whales made their first SHIB purchase just recently. According to Watcher Guru, over the last few days, many whales have taken an entry position in SHIB as its price reached weekly lows. Whales are mostly accumulating Shiba Inu tokens in large numbers, similar to how retail investors are buying the dip. Therefore, the trading volume for SHIB remains strong since its inception, and transactions barely see a decline. Whale activity within the Shiba Inu ecosystem is really a regular occurrence at this point, with whales like Gimli and Blue Whale 0073 becoming a household name among SHIB holders. However, you would definitely notice an increase in both whale purchases anytime the token takes a dip. These whales who have earned their names by purchasing loads of crypto also seize opportunities to buy even more crypto for less. And not just any crypto, SHIB. It really gets you thinking, doesn't it? Makes you wonder whether these whales know something that the rest of us do not. Remember that as much as they have a lot to gain when SHIB pumps, they also have a lot to lose if it dumps. So if they're buying even more tokens when it has dipped, as opposed to cutting their losses and jumping ship, they must have some serious faith in SHIB's prospects. All of that said, please bear in mind that I'm not trying to convince you to do or not do something with your tokens. This is not financial advice. Whatever you decide to do with your tokens should be your decision completely. So make sure to do your own research. Whatever you decide to do with your crypto though, Fairdesk is a great platform to carry out those transactions. Transactions are seamless, there's a variety of tokens, and there are freebies. What more could a trader want? Meanwhile, Google has announced that it will now be accepting crypto payments. The giant tech company just entered into a partnership with Coinbase that allows it to accept crypto for some of its cloud computing clients. This was announced during Google's most recent Cloud Next conference, where it unveiled all of its new updates. This partnership is obviously great for Coinbase because the crypto platform will be receiving a percentage of the crypto payments made to Google. This should help Coinbase to expand its base and diversify its income. However, aside from the benefits to Coinbase, this partnership is also great for the crypto market. And that has a lot to do with Google's status as a tech giant, of course. With tech giants like Google not only acknowledging crypto but also accepting it as a payment method, the crypto market grows in legitimacy and cements its place in the financial market even further. And it's really interesting that this adoption is happening at a time when the crypto market isn't exactly performing at its best. Now, at the time of recording this video, the exact cryptocurrencies that'll be accepted have not been mentioned. However, it is not far-fetched to expect SHIB to be part of the lineup, not only because of its position in the rank of biggest cryptos by market cap, but also because of the output that it has been able to produce so far. I guess we'll just have to wait and see though. Finally, a quick look at the general crypto market. It's now possible to find people's Ethereum wallet balance simply by searching the Ethereum wallet address on Google. According to Decrypt, Ethereum addresses are public and anyone can find out with the right tools how much Ethereum a wallet holds, what transactions it's made, and what applications its owner has interacted with in the network. It's the kind of data that can be very valuable to traders and analysts, and companies like Nansen have built businesses around making such data more easily accessible. The announcement was made yesterday, and of course, a number of people tried it out. However, some worked, others didn't. So it looks like the feature is still being rolled out and everything should be up in a couple of days. But what do you think about it? A welcome development or not? Please tell us what you think in the comment section below. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.